guys, welcome back to this SQL tutorial series. In this session we'll learn how to create and drop views. So views are virtual tables which are used to limit the information that we want to display. And these are actually nothing but the result of an SQL statement which have a name associated with them. For example, from this employee table, let's say we wanted to perform multiple operations on the records where the gender is female. So we can create a view for only the female employees from the entire employee table. So let's have a look at the syntax to create a view. We'll start off by using the keywords create view, then give the name of the view. After which we'll give the keyword as, and then give the list of the columns which you want to select from the table. So let's actually create a view from our employee table. So I don't create a view which would comprise of only the female employees from the entire employee table. So this would be the command for that. Create view, then I'll give the name of the view, which would be female employees. After that, I will give in the keyword as, and I will select all of the columns from the employee table. So select star from employee. Then using the where clause, I will give in the condition. So the condition would be gender is equal to female. So I'll put a semicolon over here. I'll hit execute. So we see that commands have been completed successfully. So now let me have a glance at the female employees view. Select star from, I'll give the name of the view which would be female employees. I'll put a semicolon, hit execute. Right? So we see that we have successfully created a view from the employee table. And in this view, we have only two records which comprise of the employees Anne and Julia, and both of them are obviously female. Now let's see how can we drop a view. So the syntax for dropping a view is pretty simple. All we have to do is give the keywords drop view and then give the name of the view. So let me drop this female employees view. I will type in drop view and then I will give in the name of the view which is female employees. I'll put a semicolon, execute. So again, commands have been completed successfully. So now let me see if the view exists or not. Select star from female employees, execute, and this is the result which we get, invalid object name female employees, and we get this because the view female employees has been dropped. So this is how we can work with views. Thanks for attending this session guys. Let's meet in the next class.